Welcome. If you're looking to make your Facebook page stand out and reach the right audience, adding more categories is a simple but powerful step. Today, I'll walk you through the updated process for adding more categories to your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC. Let's get started. First, open up the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page you want to update. Once you're in, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will bring up a menu where you can easily access all the pages you manage. Next, select the page you want to edit from your list. Once you're on your page, look for the About section. This is where all your important page details are stored. Click on About to open up the page's information. Now scroll down until you find the Contact and Basic Info section. Here, you'll see a list of details about your page, including categories. Right next to Categories, you'll notice a small Edit icon. Click on this icon to start editing your page's categories. A new window will pop up, showing your current categories. To add more, simply start typing the name of the category you want to include. Facebook will suggest options as you type, making it easy to find the right fit for your page. You can add multiple categories to make sure your page shows up in the right searches and attracts your target audience. Once you've added all the categories that best describe your page, don't forget to click Save. This will update your page and make your new categories visible right away. And that's it. By following these steps, you can make your Facebook page more discoverable and help people find exactly what you offer. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your social media presence. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.